Welcome to our Kentucky kitchen. I'm going to show y'all how to make your own do-it-yourself dry pancake mix to store. Our older son loves pancakes. And I'm doubling this recipe, so if you all want to make like half the batch, just half it. I've already put in 6 cups of all-purpose flour. I've put in 6 tablespoons of baking powder. Now, for the amount I'm making, it's going to take 8 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Salt, 2 teaspoons. And that's all you put in there. I'm going to just whisk this all up together. Our son adds protein powder, or has Eric do it, or he does it when he makes them himself. So you just want to get that all whisked together. Now, when you get ready to make your pancakes, you're going to take a cup of the dry pancake mix, 1 egg, 1 cup of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And I can't tell you how many that'll make because it depends on how big you want your pancakes. But that's it. You want to store it in an airtight container. This will keep on your shelf for about 3 months. And if you want to make up your pancakes ahead of time, you can do that and you can freeze them. And then they're ready just to pop in the microwave. So it's really easy, really simple, and you can do this. Thank you for joining us. Hope y'all have a blessed day, and we love y'all.